if you want to change wallpaper on iPhone 17, first of all we need to open settings. We're gonna scroll down in settings in order to find wallpaper, and then in here you can either customize the current wallpaper that you have by pressing on the customize at the bottom of the lock screen or home screen. There we go. So as you can see, we have different options at the bottom, or you can press add new wallpaper at the bottom in order to choose something new. So for example, we can go ahead and select whatever we wish to use. We have different options in this case as well. We can swipe in order to choose different filters, and we can press add in the upper right corner, at least in this specific case. And we can choose to set as a wallpaper pair, so you will have it in the lock screen and home screen, or you can go ahead and customize the home screen a little bit. And as you can see, we still once again have these options, like we can customize colors. So we can, you can use the different colors. We can use a gradient. You can also use a photo, and we can go to blur as well in order to apply this blur effect. Press down in the upper right corner, and there we go, the wallpaper has been set. As you can see, we can keep adding these wallpaper sets into the settings, and if you want to go back and revert changes, you should be able to find set as current over here at the top. So you can tap over here in order to set the wallpaper pair in this place. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.